Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a super easy and totally free way to transform your pet into a person using the Dreamface app. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open it up and log in using your Google account. And here's the best part. Dreamface has a free plan which gives you weekly credits and a limited number of daily generations. So yes, you can try this without spending a cent. Now let's find the magic tool. On this main screen, just tap on magic effect and then just scroll down until you find pet to human. This one, just tap on it. Next, just pick a clear photo of your pet from your gallery. For the best result, just use a photo where your pet face is clearly visible and valid. Just tap on the plus button. And once you have selected it, just hit create. And just wait a few seconds for Dreamface to work its magic. And here's the result, your pet as a human. This is so adorable and a little mind-blowing. Just look at the eyes. You can still see your pet's personality in the human versions. And it's seriously fine to try this with different animals and just see what kind of humans they become. And that's it. Now you know how to turn your pet into a human in just a few steps, and it's totally free. And okay, if you enjoy this tutorial, just give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.